advised, units are en route to the suspect's location. I'm gonna ram him. Squad, stand by. We're bringing back around. Don't waste the time. He's gone. We're heading back.
So much, baby, you and I. We've seen lots of good days and bad days go by. But whatever lies at the end of this here road, we'll be holding on to each other until we're where you know. Now another cold night in Chicago. We'll be looking out over them big city lights. Another cold night.
A good start would be to get the guns off the streets.
Look at me funny because they not ahead. A lot of head come from them honeys that say they love me. Do they think that I'm a dummy? That's funny. That's what my mama said.
I'm taking a gamble with Bedbug, but I have a hunch he's my perfect target. He doesn't have much, has a lot to lose, easily intimidated, and ambitious, but lazy. All right, start with his home, tap his cell phone, just record everything he says.
She's on the waterbed, who am I lover, who's the devil with a hide head, danger, mystical money, got every red strangers, look at me funny because they not ahead, a lot of head come from the honeys that say they love me, do they think that I'm a dummy, that's funny, that's what my mama said, then she said, knock you out, I'm big,
said you'd take me to the swamp meet. Now, what is it you have to do that's so involved?
Work, Grandma. I got work.
Oh, you got a job now. Well, why you didn't
It's
tell
not
me?
like that, Grandma.
Oh, I see. It's not a job for Tyrone. It's a job for Bedbug, huh?
Come on, Grandma.
Bedbug doesn't even mean anything.
Yeah, it does. It means I'm a player.
What?
A bed bug can get into any lady's bed.
That's disgusting. No, I raised you better than that.
Yeah, I'm on way. I gotta go, Grandma. Love you.
Yeah, I love you too. Even though you're a damn fool.
Let's see what dirt I can dig up on you. If all goes well, I'll never see it coming.
Good? Yeah, B, let's roll. Why's Iraq doing all this? To control a village, you go in as a friend. Tell them that everybody outside their walls is some crazy fuck who wants what they got. Eyes and ears in every house. You know what they're selling and you know what they're buying. You control it. Anybody step out of line, they're gonna hand them to you. So you gonna put in a good word for me or what? I don't know, man. Well, shut up. I want to be a shot caller, dude. Come on. I'll try your ass wherever you want to go. Always on time, too, B. Never let you down, not even once, son. True, but that's why I want to keep you where you are. Now, listen up, for real. You want to move up? I ain't supposed to say nothing, but Iraq been moving weight up in Parker Square. I'll talk to him. You might be able to... Why's Iraq doing all this? To control a village, you go in as a friend. Tell them that everybody outside their walls is some crazy fuck who wants what they got. Eyes and ears in every house. You know what they're selling and you know what they're buying. You control it. Anybody step out of line, they're gonna hand them to you. So you gonna put in a good word for me or what? I don't know, man. Well, shut up. I want to be a shot caller, dude. Come on. I'll try your ass wherever you want to go. Always on time, too, B. Never let you down, not even once, son. True, but that's why I want to keep you where you are. Now, listen up, for real. You want to move up? I ain't supposed to say nothing, but Iraq been moving weight up in Parker Square. I'll talk to him. He might be able to cut you in. Damn, B, not so loud. Damn, man, they expecting trouble? Looks like Iraq locking everything down. So what are we, babysitters? No, soldiers, fam. Remember when Flying this crew disappeared? Yeah, they stepped out of line. Iraq put him down himself. I know, because I helped him bury the bodies. Man, don't say that shit out loud, son. You know your fan paranoid about that shit getting back to him? I'll say whatever I want. What? Are you paranoid too? Only when I'm around your ass, fam.
There. That's the blackmail I'm after. Rack hears this little gem and Bedbug will be buried in a landfill.
Thanks, man. You watch yourself. Oh.
like how it's planned, locking down the hood. Might as well call the popo yourself.
Nah, they don't come out here no more. Not here. Nobody give a shit about this place.
It ain't right, man.
The way I see it, they gave it to us. It's our shit. We the police now.
Man, kid wasn't even banging. Shot down in front of his mom. Got the cards? Yeah, B. Pin numbers 2? Yeah, they in there. What about Iraq's cut? Don't worry about Iraq. Worry about me.
Plan, locking down the hood. Might as well call the popo yourself.
Nah, they don't come out here no more. Not here. Nobody give a shit about this place.
It ain't right, man.
The way I see it, they gave it to us. It's our shit. We the police now.
You have the right to suck my dick.
Man, you nuts.
You have the right to shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
Better stop woofing, cuz. Respect the law.
Plan, locking down the hood. Might as well call the popo yourself.
Nah, they don't come out here no more. Not here. Nobody give a shit about this place.
It ain't right, man.
The way I see it, they gave it to us. It's our shit. We the police now.
You have the right to suck my dick.
Man, you nuts.
You have the right to shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
Better stop woofing, cuz. Respect the law.
Oh. Oh.
Man, kid wasn't even banging. Shot down in front of his mom. Got the cards? Yeah, B. Pin numbers 2? Yeah, they in there. What about Iraq's cut? Don't worry about Iraq. Worry about me.
The fuck was that?
Yo, check it. Big B's on the move. Sup, V's? May I talk to Lil Juice? Why, yes, you may. Alone? Mother, may I? Fuck me, man.
Making a round?
Yup. Fixing to drive up. What do you think? Expect anything?
No, and it sounds like the club don't trust Iraq no more.
Good. Because they'll be dealing with me soon. When I call the shots, I remember what you done. Rabbit, what's up?
That's something you want to hear, bud. Trust me.
So, tell me.
Not here, fam. It's me. got that dough on you?
Always. Why?
No, this gonna cost you. But it's worth it. Trust me.
Yeah, we'll see about that. What the fuck is going on?
Nothing, B. We just playing.
Yeah, I see that. You're supposed to be keeping a fucking eye out. That's what you're supposed to be doing. And you want me to call Iraq and tell him you fools could have let somebody inside?
Ain't nobody got past, B. Got the whole crew out. This place is tight.
Better be.
Better be.
Alright. Talk.
Look, I'm on 500 for what I know.
What the fuck you know that's worth that much cash?
Because you ain't got much time unless you pay up now, fam.
Oh, you gonna threaten me? You don't fuck with me, man. You think Iraq won't hear about this? Man, what's wrong with you?
Oh, dude. Iraq? Serious? Iraq is your fucking problem.
I mean, tell me what you know. This better be good.
Look, it's simple. They gonna call you down to the bricks, and then they gonna kill you.
That's bullshit, man.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing, man? Come on, fam. I wanna talk. You know I ain't no damn snitch.
What the fuck? Rabbit's stealing from Iraq. You see that motherfucker? Shoot him. I'm out, V's. Do this right.
The guy who just saved your ass. And I can do a lot more if you cooperate. What are the bricks?
Look, just get me out of here, man, and I'll tell you.
All right, pay attention.
Ain't going out like this. I'm gonna kill that motherfucker bug. I wanna die, man. Man, fuck this and fuck you.
Rabbit, wait!
You ain't going nowhere.
Who's this?
The guy who just saved your ass. And I can do a lot more if you cooperate. What are the bricks?
Look, just get me out of here, man, and I'll tell you.
All right, pay attention.
This is bullshit, man.
Go, quickly.
Yeah. Moving.
Move ahead.
Okay. This ain't right.
Move it.
Got it. I'm gonna kill that motherfucker bug.
Okay, move.
Alright. This is bullshit, man. Ain't going out like this.
Go. Stay low.
I don't wanna die, man. Man, fuck this and fuck you.
Rabbit, wait! Shit!
Oh, hell no! You didn't shoot at me!
Who's this?
The guy who just saved your ass. And I can do a lot more if you cooperate. What are the bricks?
Look, just get me out of here, man, and I'll tell you.
All right, pay attention.
This ain't right. I don't wanna die, man. This is bullshit, man. I'm gonna kill that motherfucker bug.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Go.
Ain't going out like this.
Now, go.
Yeah. Moving.
Go, quickly.
This is bullshit, man.
Move it. Now, go.
I hear you. I'm gonna kill that motherfucker bug.
Move.
This ain't right.
ahead.
Yeah. Moving. I'm gonna kill that motherfucker Bug. I don't wanna die, man.
Go. Stay low.
Ain't going out like this.
Okay, move. Talk.
Look, Iraq is sending Bedbug to the bricks to take him out, Joe. Look, it's a fucking death sentence. Look, he'll have some of his toughest dudes on there, I'm telling you.
Iraq's put a kill order on Bedbug?
Yeah, man. If he can't prove himself, he's fucking dead. You saw Bug, man. Come on, man. He ain't got no fucking chance. I was trying to warn his stupid ass.
Where is this place?
Sienna Brick Factory. The bricks.
Now you do what you said. You take that 500 and you get out of town. Talk to nobody.
Look, that's nothing. I got you.
This is bad. Bedbug's killed. I lose my way to Rossi Prima. These foot soldiers don't mean anything to Iraq, but a weak link is no place in a gang. I've seen this happen to a few guys. They don't pull their weight and they get torn down hard. But if Bedbug can survive it, show he's got what it takes, Iraq won't just save face, he'll embrace the kid. Show him off.
Good timing. Your sweetheart Maurice was just moaning at me. Says you got it all wrong. He's a patsy. He was set up. Whine, wah, wah, wah. Hey, you mind if I drill a couple of rounds into his kneecaps?
Yeah, I mind.
You're so predictable. See if I do you a favor again.
Actually,
You need a favor.
I'm setting up an ambush. I need you to bring me some explosives. Can you do that?
I can do anything. Do I want to do it is the question. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, yes. You know what? This is great. Yeah, let me round up the boys and I'll meet you there.
The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night.
Get out!
What's your emergency? We need some cops here right away.
Watch all units initiating CTOS scan for suspect. Watch all units. CTOS scan has located and marked suspect.
Let me bulldoze this guy, will ya? We ain't stopping unless we make him stop. Slam inside. I'm gonna clip him. Over now.
You've got a patrol car in pursuit of suspect.
I'll try to spit him. Everybody check under the old... All units, suspect is still in the vicinity. Let's find him. Come on, 19 Charlie. Heading back.
Lucky Quinn is in the news again, this time for his charity work. Today, representatives of the Merlaut Hotel announced a fundraiser event coming to the hotel, which is owned by Mr. Quinn. Mayor Rushmore is expected to open the event. No doubt it will be a star-studded affair.
Yeah. Yeah.